Today I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card on Binance. This is a convenient way to add funds to your Binance account using gift card credits, making it easier to start trading or investing in cryptocurrency without traditional payment methods. First, open your web browser and navigate to Binance.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your Binance dashboard. This step is essential as you'll need to be logged in to access the gift card redemption feature. After you've successfully logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find various footer links and options that Binance provides. Look for the option labeled Gift Card and click on it. This will take you to the dedicated gift card section where you can manage and redeem your gift cards. The gift card feature is specifically designed to handle all gift card related activities on the platform, making it a centralized hub for this type of transaction. Once you're on the gift card page, you'll see a designated field where you can enter your redemption code. This is where you'll input the unique code from your Amazon gift card. Carefully type or paste the redemption code into this field, making sure there are no extra spaces or typos, as this could prevent the redemption from going through successfully. After you've entered the code, click the Redeem button. The system will then process your redemption request. Depending on the platform's current load, this might take a few moments, so be patient while Binance verifies and applies the gift card value to your account. Once the redemption is complete, the funds from your Amazon gift card will be available in your Binance account, ready to be used for trading or other activities on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card on Binance, giving you quick access to additional funds for your cryptocurrency needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.